Hello friends, today I will show how to do this kind of design in Adobe Illustrator. It's a very simple process. Before starting, please click on subscribe button to support App to the World. Let's start designing. First, create a line using line segment tool. Then go to stroke option and change arrowheads. After that, go to effect menu. Then inside distort and transform option, go to transform. Check on the preview, change rotate angle, change vertical scale, and then play with the values until you get a desired model. Then create a rectangle using rectangle tool for background. Then change the color of the model to white. Let me change the BG color. Let me change the stroke value. Then go to Bloat Tool. Adjust brush shape. And then click on the model. Now I will change the color using gradient tool. Then I have made some copy of the design. I made a copy of BG rectangle. Group the designs. Then select the rectangle and the group. Then press Ctrl 7 to mask. Copy the design for BG effect and change the color to grey. And it's done. So this is the final copy of the design. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe App to the World.